この電車は山手線外回り新宿池袋方面行きです。次は原宿お出口は右側です。地下鉄千代田線と地下鉄副都心線はお乗り換えです。This is a Yamanote Line train bound for Shinjuku and Ikebukuro. The next station is Harajuku. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the Chiyoda subway line and the Fukutoshin subway line.
I'm doing all of my favorite things today, exploring Harajuku, visiting new spots, and exploring a museum. The first stop is Harajuku for some American Southern-style barbecue, such a hard find in Japan. This barbecue was pretty authentic, but it also was kind of expensive. From Harajuku, I walked over to Shibuya and ended my day. Would it even be a vlog without some McDonald's? Japanese McDonald's. It's so cheap and yummy, and fast food here doesn't make me feel groggy and lethargic either, like at home. I reserved a ticket online to see an exhibit of one of my favorite fashion houses, Dior. This is way out of my tax bracket, but I love the artistry in clothing. The way that people pay top dollar for certain garments is no different to me from people admiring a painting or sculpture, and this art piece just happens to be wearable. Clothes can take on different looks depending on who wears them, and it's always amazing to me to see what trends come and go. I love everything Dior does with its creative decisions, like this exhibit. It was a collaboration with many Japanese and Asian artists to showcase how Asia impacts fashion. The displays, music, photography, and interior were all collaboration with these artists as well. Every weekend in Shinjuku, a farmer's market is held to buy delicious pastries and groceries. I wanted to visit a farmer's market for so long, and I'm so glad to find one right here in Tokyo. I also made friends with some baby goats. As long as I've been in Tokyo, I have not tried Kobe's steak yet. Until now, that is, and it did not disappoint. A classic Japanese take on the hamburger is without the bun, and this hamburg steak is also served with unlimited refills of miso soup and rice cooked on an open grill.
こちらネギを乗せてよろしいですか？
はい。
それではハンバーグのお召し上がり方について説明させていただきます。最初にお手元の引き出しに銀箸と割り箸がございますので、そちらの方を取り出していただきます。
Oh, we're such tourists.
This restaurant was also very inclusive and has a halal hamburger steak option and grill to use. This was such a good and filling meal. I would definitely recommend this if you were to stop by in Tokyo for a cool eating concept. The restaurant is located in Shibuya in the same building as the Nintendo store and Pokémon Center, so I did some window shopping. Thank you for coming along with me, friends. I really appreciate the company, and see you next time.
Good?